fam. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for dropping in. I would love for you to stick around, so please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll get a hint every time I make a post. Right here, as you can see guys, I'm using 1 by 2 by 14 length boards, and these are all pressure treated wood for outside. I'm also cutting them diagonally in order for them to have a off shape to the side, to give the trellis a little bit of a just a look to it, just as you would probably want it to look if you purchase it in the store or just to your liking. So guys, as you can see, this is just a video showing you how you can do easy projects around your home without the use of power tools, because not many of us are equipped to use power tools, and sometimes we don't have power tools handy either. So basically you don't really necessarily need to have a drill, because as you can see that I use nails and a hammer, simple DIY hammer, and as you can also see that I didn't use like a miter saw or anything of the sort. So you can also do this at home as well, and you can just look out for more videos that I will be doing around the house, that you can do simple and easy tricks, that you don't have to use power equipment or get professional help to do it. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video.